Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we are visiting at Mahagun Mezzaria project, which is located in sector 78 Noida. So friends, in today's video we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat which is of 2500 square feet. So this is the passage. So now we have entered into the flat. It's a luxury project by Mahagun Group. Now here you can see the living area. The spacious living room with double height ceiling wall. So here you can see it's very spacious and beautifully designed. Here you can see the fantastic flooring work. Very well crafted with centralized AC. So from here you can take the entire view of living room. And now here is the wide balcony. The spacious and wide balcony. Attached with the living room. And now we are moving towards the dining and family lounge. So here you can take the view of dining area. Skillfully crafted with elegance. As here you can see the excellent interior work. Now we are moving towards the kitchen. And here is the modular kitchen of this flat, which is of super built up area, 2500 square feet. We are giving you the actual view of state of the art modular kitchen. And here is the separate utility area. And this is the servant room. which is having an attached washroom. So here is another washroom with ultra modern fittings. This is the passage. And here we have the spacious bedroom, beautifully designed, with wooden flooring. Over here you can see the wardrobe. The spacious wardrobe where you can keep your belongings. And now we have entered into another bedroom of this flat. This bedroom is also very spacious and skillfully designed with excellent interior work. As here you can see the wooden flooring. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. And here comes the master bedroom of this flat. Here is the corner stand. The spacious master bedroom Over there you can see the wardrobe section. Here is the dressing area, and this is an attached washroom. Beautifully crafted homes by Mahagun Group. So friends, in this video, we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat. Thanks for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.